welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to do something a little bit different. This, I know, as you guys have all come to know and love, this is All Stings channel. However, the name is going to be changing soon because, as some of you know, I recently purchased that baby right there, which is a Camaro, yes, Camaro Chevy 1SS 1LE. The 1SS 1LE is the track package of their V8 version Camaro. So anyway, what we're doing today is I bought a Wickerbill spoiler, which is known as the ZL1 Addon Wickerbill. And so far, I'll show you what we've done. So far, all we've done is tape off the original stock spoiler, because we're going to leave that in place, just add the Wickerbill to it. We taped it off so that we don't damage any of it's matte black, so I don't want to scrape any of the matte black spoiler that's there while we're trying to add this on. So, and the only other thing that we have done is found the center point and drilled the pilot hole and made it a little bit bigger. It's not quite big enough, so I had to run to the store to get, I don't know what it's called, but a little Christmas tree looking thing to expand the hole just a little bit so that we can put the rivets in with the rivet nut tool. This is what we're trying to fit in the hole. It's got to have something to push this. This has to push up against that in there. It's not wiggly or loose or anything. No? Feels good. That was the goal. Okay, I'm going to drill a pilot hole. Make sure everything's okay, because the splitter is not very deep this way, as you can tell, so we don't want to go through the other side. So just get it started, and then he's going in. This is a 3/8, right?
Yeah.
3/8 inch drill bit. It's a little tough. That's why we leave the tape in place. Just far enough until you feel it let go, and then you back out and get your little what is that thing called?
Christmas tree. I don't know, whatever.
That thing. Tape back for sizing purposes so that it's not any extra layers when we try and put the rivet in. Feel it that time?
Mm-hmm.
And then hear it pop. That's all you stop. Okay. And rivet number 2. We started with the center to make sure we had the center line, then we're going one out. We're going to go to the other one over there, and then go ahead and bolt it up, and then measure the other 2 spots on each side to make sure we're even. You're supposed to start in the center and work your way out. stuff. It's here for protective purposes. Leave it there so you don't scratch your Wickerbill or your car. Final product is done. I like it a lot. Thanks, honey.
You're welcome.
I got it from this side. It's nice and steep. I like it. Hopefully it'll do its job and catch some air, push that booty down. Not a lot because it's not very big, but still. So just so you know, when you're doing this, when you're lining this up, you can tell the flat part here, this part, goes under the edge of the stock spoiler, and then when you come to the center, it actually goes above it a little bit, and then by the time you get over here, it goes under it a little bit. So don't think that you're misaligning it. That's how it's supposed to be. Because it's perfect. It's beautiful. So say goodbye to All Stings channel because we are now dropping gears.